What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a great weekend, but it's Monday, so it's time for another mission knife. This is the Steel Will Daitengu. Came at like $39.99 on Blade HQ, and Daitengu means, what does it mean again? I just looked it up. It means greater heavenly dog. I Googled it, so it's true. Now you know, and I know, we all know. So it's D2 blade steel satin finish, G10 with OD green scales. I got this OD green kick going on. At least it's not a mini Praxis lookalike, and we'll be going over that in the next video. So yeah, get that out of my head once and for all. But yeah, it doesn't look like a mini Praxis, I can promise you that. But anyway, we'll look at the thing, we'll go over numbers and stats and boring crap, and we'll talk about it. So we got a piece of paper. What's it say on the paper? Bunch of words. I don't like words. It's Monday. We don't do words on Monday, right? Let's see what we got going on. And here it is. Nice looking OD green scales on that. Look at that. Very nice looking, actually. I kind of like the way that blade, not blade, the scales are shaped. Like, yeah, I think it might have some good ergos going on. Anyway, let's pop it open. And there it is. It is a trailing point blade. Let's go over that blade real quick. So D2 blade steel. I don't have an HRC, but it's got a satin finish on that. Big old billboarding, which I don't really dig, especially in something that looks like kind of a gentleman's carry. But yeah, the back too's got the Daitengu. Yeah. I mean, I don't like the billboarding, but I'm not hating it. It's fine. It's whatever. Let's feel the sharpness. Oh, that's a sharp guy. That is sharp. Holy crap. Very sharp. See if it wiggles? Not even a little bit. It's all closed up. Look at that. The jimping is on the scales. Okay, so no jimping on the blade, just on the scales. Let's see what them ergos are doing. Not bad on the ergos. It's a little small for me. I mean, I'm going to admit that, but it actually feels pretty good. Yeah, it just sits in your hand there. Kind of like, I mean, it's fine, but I mean, I wish it would have been a little more rounded, like in here. But it's actually holds the finger good. Not bad. I don't know what the hell I did to my finger, by the way. I banged it on something. Yeah, ergos are dope. I'm digging it. Really solid. Let's look at that liner real quick. And the liner's all, oh, let me look at this real quick. So you got your detent ball kind of toward the edge. And I'm going to go over let's go over the, yeah, how it opens and closes. What's that called again? The action. There you go. It almost feels like it's spring assisted, but it's not, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like it snaps out of there, reverse flick or regular on the thumb studs. It just shoots out, dude. It's nice. Yeah, almost feels assisted. It comes out so smoothly. So yeah, really good action. Not drop shutty, but that's fine. It'll break in. Bang, bang. There we go. Yeah, that's actually really nice. But okay, let's look at the lockup. Lockup's looking good. And like I was about to say, you got the one liner in there, and then the top has no liner. So let's go over the statistics real quick. 3.25 on the blade, overall 7.75. So not super small, not super big, just about right. Let's see. What else we got? Oh, the weight. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, the weight. 2.9 ounce. I don't have an HRC on that. I think I might have said that already, but I don't have an HRC. But yeah, 2.9 ounce, and they took that top liner out. So that's probably why it's so light. Very light. But let's look at the rest of the thing so we can get through this video. Everything is flush. Nothing is sticking out at all, except for your pivot, but it's rounded off, so really, really, really smooth. There's no such thing as a hot spot on this. It's all rounded and real nice. But you can see it's closed construction. Got a couple little holes in there for air conditioning, I bet. Then you got your lanyard hole, reversible. I did it finally. Let's take a look at this clip. The clip is pretty tight. Let's see if I can get it in my pocket real nice. I think it will be fine. Yeah, goes in the pocket, in and out, real nice. Really nice knife. And like I said, 40 bucks. And yeah, it's doing pretty good. Let's check that action out one more time. Awesome. So let's see. We're going to compare it to one of the stars of the next video. This mini Praxis wannabe. What the hell was this called again? I'll get to that in the next video. It doesn't matter right now. But yeah, so you could see it's a little bigger than the mini Praxis. Color-wise, it's the OD green's about the same. This is a little bit lighter, but that doesn't matter. Just wanted a size comparison. But yeah, this is a cool knife. I'm digging it. So Steel Will, you got my vote. I like the ergos. I like that it's solid as hell. The blade is cool looking, and the action shooting out just pink. Yeah, you're not gonna fail on this guy at all. You just, even if you try, I think. I'll try. Let me try to fail it. Yeah, you can a little bit. But yeah, it opens up so nice. So yeah, another winner. Cool beans. So that's it for that guy. I will see you guys in the next video, which will be that Civivi Pepsi challenge. It's a Civivi challenge. So yeah, that'll be a fun video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, my veteran brothers and sisters, for what you did, and all you active duty guys and girls. Keep safe and keep doing what you're doing and keep your heads down. Talk to you guys in the next video.